Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are delighted to present a comprehensive guide on how to upscale images without the need for Photoshop. And the best part is, it won't cost you a dime. Contrary to any expectations you might have, the process is surprisingly simple, and we are here to walk you through each step with clear explanations. To demonstrate, we will be harnessing the incredible capabilities of the Nero AI image upscaler. Let's jump right into it. First and foremost, ensure that you are logged in into your Nero account. This is a crucial step to ensure a seamless experience and access to all the fantastic features Nero has in store. Now, for those of you who might be feeling uncertain about creating or logging into your account, no worries at all. We've gone the extra mile to provide you with an in-depth video guide that covers every detail of how to get started with Nero Image Upscaler. You can find this invaluable resource in our video library, where it takes you through the entire process step by step. Now that your login process is successfully completed, let's dive right into the exciting part, enhancing our photos. In the top left corner of your screen, you will notice an option labeled Online AI, right next to Mobile AI. To tap into Nero's remarkable capabilities, including the ability to breathe new life into your images, simply click on Online AI. Within the Online AI section, you will discover a convenient drop-down menu that offers various options. For today's tutorial, we are focusing on the Image Upscaler. Now, let's dive into the process of enhancing your images. It all starts with uploading your chosen image. Then, select a model for enhancement. For instance, if you're working on a portrait, choose Face Enhancement. Finally, click Start. Keep in mind that the processing time may vary depending on your internet speed. If your connection happens to be on the slower side, this could be due to high website traffic or your general internet service speed. There you have it. The process is now complete, and in under a minute, your image has been elevated to stunning 4K resolution. Isn't that simply astonishing? Say goodbye to the complexities of Photoshop. With the power of AI, you can effortlessly elevate the quality of your pictures. Should you have additional photos in need of enhancement, feel free to follow the same straightforward process again. Nevertheless, it is important to keep in mind that as a free user, your access comes with limited credits. You can easily check the status of your remaining credits in the upper right-hand corner. So make the most of this incredible tool while you have credits to spare. And if you are eager to get your hands on that beautifully enhanced image, it is a breeze. Just click on the download button and your masterpiece will be swiftly saved to your device. Now, you can easily share your stunning creations with friends and family, showcasing your newfound image-enhancing prowess. We sincerely hope that this step-by-step tutorial has been a valuable resource in guiding you through the process of upscaling your images with Nero AI Image Upscaler. If you have found this information helpful and hunger for more fantastic content like this, as well as staying updated with the latest advancements in AI tools and techniques, we warmly invite you to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you will always stay ahead of the curve in the exciting world of AI developments. Before we wrap up, we'd like to express our heartfelt gratitude for joining us today and investing your time in exploring the fascinating realm of bringing your photos to life through the magic of AI. Always remember, the horizons of creativity are limitless, and Nero AI Image Upscaler is your trusted companion on this artistic journey, ready to transform your visions into reality. We eagerly anticipate your presence in our next video. Until then, take care.